Hey everyone, today I will briefly introduce how to pull image, how to list images, how to list the repo, private repo, public repo through Docker API. Okay, so yeah, first let's log in Docker. So this is Docker Hub login page. So you can see this. So you have to sign up first, right? So once you are signed up, you give Docker ID, username, password, then you do sign in. Okay, you will see I have three repos here. Two of them are public, one is private. Okay, so later we're gonna use them. Try to pull images. Okay, so when I do the research for API, Docker Hub API, I find there's some useful link. So first is API v2 link. So this is registry API links. So here you can see a bunch of API. Let's see listing tab, yeah, pull images, yeah, how the API looks like. So we're gonna use this API later for pulling images. Okay. The second one is useful is how to get token, how to do token authentication OAuth 2. So yeah, so if you want all details, read about this, see which parameter you need to trigger your API, REST API to get the token for pulling images. And also there's this one. So for the authentication, like how you can get authentication token. So this token is different from the previous one. So this token we're gonna use it to display repos. Doesn't matter private or public. Okay, and this token, if we get this token, we will use it for pulling images. Okay, cool. Let's start. So let's start some API. So first I'm gonna show you the API here is for getting auth tokens. So basically what I'm going to do, oh no, this one, I'm going to do is call this API, okay, user login v2. So you see here, you go here, you see registry hub.docker.com/v2/users login. So this is for get auth token for your Docker Hub, and later we're gonna use this token to display images. Okay, so yeah, so we put in the body this username password, which is should mapping this one. Okay, so let's press the send button. So header, you need this header, yeah, nothing else. So you press, so then we see the token here. Then we copy this token. Then we go to get user account. So yeah, so this one. So this is another URL. Forget what repository you have. So based on our system, we will see this is test 1640net. It's the repository name. So we get to test 1640net. Then here, the bearer token, we will give the one we just created. Okay, so let's do send. So now you will see we have three repos under test 1840net namespace. Okay, you see this is namespace. One is my private one. Another is name is Docker 1.1 tutorial, also under the same namespace. The third one is my private repo BusyBox. So also you will see repository type, status, description. Another useful key value is it private, so it shows false, that means public, right? So if you see this one is false, so this one is it private, that means true. Okay, so then we go back to our Docker Hub, so we can see, yeah, this is private, right? So we see my private, that's private. So these two matches what we got from API and them, and we see them a public. So here you see my private, this is private. Okay, so now we are done for get what repos under this namespace or what images under this place. Now the next thing is we want to see the tags under that namespace. Okay, so then let's see, for example, let's try to get try to see the private one first. Okay, so here, if we go here, we will see we have two tags for this image, my PRI. Okay, so let's call API to check if that's true. So we should change this. Remember, change the names matches that one. Test 16 for net. My private, yes. Then change the bearer token here. Now we see two. Okay, we see two. Here's the information. Here's digest. So let's see. Let's find the name. Okay, the name. Okay, the name is actually the tag name, the image tag name. So here we see name is latest. This is one. So there are two. So another one is name is v1. So then we go back to check online. So we see latest and v1. So that's the private repo list. So we also can double check with the public one. So let me be, yeah, it's the same. So let's do maybe this one, my private busy box. Okay, let's check. So instead of this image, we put this one. Then let's check the tag. So it's supposed to give one, yes, which is the latest. Then we go down to the latest. Yeah, we see the tag. Okay, so we are done with list like images. We are done with all listing the tags. Now the third, then we are going to try to pull images. Okay, once we start pull images, we need another token. Okay, we have one token for listing informations we need. Another one, this is one for pulling images. So basically this is API we need, and this is parameter we need. So I got this information is based on this website. So read like which parameters, post parameter you need. So if you want detailed information, go back, check this link. It will be very helpful. Okay, so I already pre-configured. So this is username, this is password, this is the scope. Yeah, so we need scope, right? So here the scope we want to do is this one. So this should be match our test. So this be test 16 40net blah blah, my image pull. Okay, remember we have this repo called my PRI. So we give action pull, that means we can pull image. Okay, then we do send. So there's no yeah, we have this header here. Then nothing else we need. Okay. Here, so okay, now we see the token expire time, scope, pull. We can pull this repo. Okay, then we get the token here. Then we do pull image. Okay, remember the pull image. Okay, let's change it. So this is should be test 16 for net. So this is PRI. So manifest latest. Remember, and then we give the barrier here. So remember this API? I got this API is from this one. Remember I showed you pulling images. So if you want details, read this API. So this is a bunch of API based on your need. You can refer to them, right? Remember the first API I showed you, which is based on this one. So username, password, get your token. Okay, so based on need, you can go back and check for details. Okay, so then we go back. So then we do set. Yeah, so this is if you don't have the privilege, you cannot do it. You're gonna return for one. So then we press. So now we see we're able to. So we have the blob sum. So we get 200. Okay, that means we can pull in the images. Okay. Hope you enjoy. If you need anything else or you have any problem, leave comments for me. Okay. Thank you so much. That's all for the day. Okay.